Welcome to this Leisure World video looking at the gas and water supply from your Burstner hire motorhome. Now in the gas tank we will supply a full tank of gas, a 6 kilo tank of gas, which should last your entire holiday. To turn the gas on, you see the tap at the top, turn it anti-clockwise to open and clockwise to close. You must make sure you have your gas tank closed off when in transit. Onto the water, and when you open the door you will see this spout here and this key. This key is for your waste water, your grey water as we call it in the trade. And you'll find a sticker on the skirt of your motorhome somewhere. So on this one, the 744, it is here, and underneath we can see this square head, and there is the key. Put that like that. That is the valve closed to open up and drain your grey water, which is the water from your shower, from your kitchen sink, that kind of thing. We would drive over a drain on a campsite and open the valve like so, and the wastewater will drain through this pipe here. When it's finished draining, close the valve, and we make sure we put the key back on there. Because they're small, they're very easy to lose. So this spout that we took off before goes into our water tank. To fill the tank, there's a blue hose that comes with your hiring. We put this spout on there. On the hose, one end goes to the tap and the other end goes just into there, and we turn the tap on. This will hold approximately 140 litres. And you don't want to travel with a full water tank unless you're camping wild. Because of the weight restrictions, 140 litres is the same as 140 kilos, which is quite a lot of weight and will use more if you're diesel up. So this is designed to obviously stop the hose from overspilling out into the inside of your motorhome. It's never a good thing. To get it into the water pipes, so for your sink and that kind of thing, you would go inside, you can turn the water pump on the control panel, and then lift the tap up in between hot and cold up into the middle, and then you wait for the water to come through with no bubbles in it, and that's your water system primed. You can do that while the tank is filling up, to make more space into the tank. I mean, if you're arriving on site and then you want to fill it up, by all means do so. We just recommend that you don't travel with a full tank because you will use more fuel. You'll also find the valves like this when you come for your collection. In this position, the motorhome is good to use, ready to use. You fill it up and it's not going to pour the water out. Should you find that when you demand water inside and it's actually coming out onto the floor here, it's because this is in the wrong position. It will be like that. This is an emergency valve for the Truma heating system, where it protects the system, so if it goes below 6 degrees, the valve will automatically open, draining the water in the heating system as to not damage the boiler. So to get this back into position, have it going across the way, and then make sure this button is pushed in, and that valve will be good to go. And this, keep that down. If you want to drain the water system, have that up, open that up, and it will drain away your fresh water. It's always handy just to remember to keep that down. It means the water will stay in, up, the water will go out, and obviously this, make sure that this is across the way and that button is pushed in. For power, here you can see the main supply. There is a 25-meter power lead in your motorhome. It will be in your garage. You'll find that one end plugs into the plug on the site by your stand, and the other into this. And then you make sure the power's switched on. You go in and you should see in the middle of your Burstner control panel a little light right in the middle, lit up white, to say that it is receiving mains power. That's your power, your gas and your water. And just remember, all of these instructions are in the user manual, which we have left in the motorhome for you to read as and when you need to.